Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter in your Preethi Zodiac mixer grinder. It's a surprisingly simple process that yields delicious results. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 500 milliliters of fresh, chilled, heavy cream. Make sure your mixer grinder is clean and ready to go, and have your whipping blade handy for the best outcome. Now, let's start churning. Carefully pour the 500 milliliters of chilled heavy cream into the mixer grinder jar. Attach the whipping blade securely and close the lid tightly. Begin by running the mixer on a low speed for about 30 seconds, then gradually increase to a medium speed. You'll notice the cream thickening and changing texture. Keep churning, and after about 5 to 7 minutes, you'll see a clear separation. The cream will transform into a solid, yellowish mass that's your butter. The liquid left behind is buttermilk, which is fantastic for pancakes or baking. This is the exciting part where your efforts truly pay off, turning simple cream into something wonderful. Finally, it's time to wash and store your butter. Carefully drain all the buttermilk from the jar. Then, rinse the butter thoroughly with very cold water, repeating this process 2 or 3 times. Gently knead the butter to squeeze out any remaining buttermilk, which helps it last longer. Store your fresh, homemade butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.